Are you doing some flying? 30. Can you get it close to the camera? Stay here. No wobbling. Can you tell me about what airplane you're flying and stuff?
This is a Techone Yak54. It's made out of EPP foam. This has the Techone the $70 motor prop.
You don't talk about how much. You just talk about the equipment that you're using, Justin.
This is the Techone that comes with the servos and the speed controller and the motor, and then I'm running a high-tech mini receiver and a $100 battery with a Aurora 9 transmitter. Running time about 7 minutes.
No, you're not.
Not even for the flying.
Well, this is hovering, so you tell me how long
I
it's
get
going to...
4.5 minutes. I will be bringing this one to the Cascade in January, the end.
You can just land it on the top of the bed, soft.
I still have battery.
For hovering is kind of long enough. Otherwise it gets kind of boring. Okay, over here, and then see if you could talk about what you got on there. Away from the light. Away from that light.
Okay. This has a two-cell thunder power pack. It has...
What size is it?
It's
Justin, if you have to look, then that means that's wrong.
25 milliamp hour, and then...
What is it?
25 milliamp hour.
25 milliamp hour?
250 milliamp hour. It has the stock Techone motor, stock blade, propeller. It has the mini receiver.
What is the receiver name called? It's called Minima.
Minima receiver.
Just like Optima.
Minima receiver with the case taken off and the
Now, why did we do that?
To make it as light as we can possibly make it. And then it has the stock servos.
Techone servos.
The Techone servos. And then the landing gears taken off to make less weight. The wheels taking off to make it less weight. Then that's about it.
Okay.
Okay.